Theta network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Theta network. My friends, now it is the end of June and get ready for July month. What will be the price of the Theta network in the July month? Is the price pump in the July? Is the price jump in the July? We discuss in this video. But my friends, before starting this video, please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Theta network in the market is 6.95 USD dollar. 6.95 USD dollar is the latest price of the Theta network. And if you look the BTC, the price of Theta network in a Bitcoin, so the Bitcoin price of the Theta network is 0.0002009, my friends. That is the BTC price of the Theta network. And furthermore, my friends, now in the last of this month at this time, the latest changes is everything is going positive. The market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, everything is start increasing, my friends. In the end of month, you can see here, my friends, as I told you that the previous changes of the Theta network is negative, but now the latest changes, the yesterday changes of the Theta network is positive. Let me show you the price chart and let's do technical analysis, my friends. My friends, you can see here from this changes, everything is clear. The previous changes is negative, so that's mean that previous completely first time occurring in the Theta network, but now the latest change from yesterday, the changes is positive. That's mean that the price is start increasing. So that's why absolutely after great falls, after 1 month falls, absolutely there is a possibility to they continue this pump for long term for 1 month. There is a possibility, my friends. We can't see about the future, maybe. Anyways, but my prediction is positive about Theta network. How do you feel today about Theta network? Please also tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.